I think other changes are going to come with the way that we review medicine. So the disease I represent is a rare disease called alkaptonuria. And one of the big problems that rare diseases face is that a lot of the medications patients take are off-label. So that means a drug that's been licensed for another disease and being used for a secondary disease that it's not licensed in. And one of the big problems with rare diseases is that off-label medication is obviously great for patients to access a drug that they couldn't otherwise access. But the problem is that that access isn't reliable. So what that means is that there's a big disparity of access. So some patients get it very easily, other patients can't. So I think one of the big changes we're going to see in clinical trials is a much bigger reliance on real-world data. So that's instead of doing a phase 3 or a phase 4, that's really using the real-world data of patients using off-label medications, particularly in the rare diseases where there may only be tens or hundreds of patients in the world. It's not really practical to do a full phase 3 study in those patients. So I think there's going to be a much greater reliance on real-world data and things like off-label use.